While most every bicycle comes with its own bike seat, not every saddle is made the same. A poorly shaped or cushionless seat could make for an uncomfortable ride, whether you're hitting the trail, city bike path, or even your stationary bike at home. When you're shopping for a bike seat, there are several factors you'll want to take into consideration, including your riding style, type of ride, and flexibility. Shopping for the right bike seat isn't just about finding the softest, widest, or most cushioned. It's important to consider how the rider will be positioned on the bike and their riding style or type of riding. If you're traversing bumpy trails, for example, you'll want more shock absorption, while riders weaving through city streets will want a flatter seat with more support to provide stability. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best comfortable bike seats with memory foam. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the GLAMVILLA brand. The hidden spring design allows simplicity and shock absorption. It has no external spring burden, keep the cushion simple, 4.5mm elastic metal diameter, providing sufficient bearing capacity, excellent fatigue resistance to prevent cushion tilt, 35mm spring height, providing better shock absorption. Thickened bottom support to prevent cushion collapse. High-density memory foam provides better support and comfort. The large area of perforated skin is not only non-slip, but also comfortable. The spring and silicone sleeve combine the shock absorption advantages of two materials. This seat, a combination of 45mm thick memory cotton and spring, brings a new comfort experience. Hollow design for ventilation is a good recipe for outdoor cycling. The length of the seat cushion is 10 inches, bringing a short nose design. Long-term cycling does not bruise the inner thigh easily, making it ideal for mountain bikes, folding bikes, and tour bikes. At 8.6 inches wide, it is ideal for upright riding, and is friendly to city bikes, beach bikes, and stationary bikes. Number 4 in our top is from the ROCKBROS brand. ROCKBROS wide bike seat is 8.66 inches wide, which will distribute greatly the pressure on the hips in cycling, keep you comfortable and healthy on rides. The bike seat cushion is padded by thick and high-density memory foam and extra gel, enhances super softness and support, make your workouts last longer. The bike seats for men-women comfort has a hole in the middle for extra airflow and comfort. As an exercise bike seat cushion, the surface is non-slip leather which is waterproof and wear-resistant. Dual shock balls ensure shock absorption from bumps, potholes or rough terrain as you ride. Relieve pressure on your back and tailbone. Just enjoy your healthy and happy long-distance riding. Fit bicycle seat includes a universal clamp adapter, fits most standard bike seat posts, great replacement seat for indoor, outdoor bike, like exercise, road, spin, city stationary, cruiser, mountain bikes. It was easy to install with supplied hardware. Naturally soft long nose and streamlined design allow free movement of the thighs, reducing wear and pain of the legs when riding. Exquisite reflective stickers design in the rear of the bike seat, other drivers can see in a far distance, can improve safety riding at night. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Roguoo brand. Super comfortable high-density memory foam with durable waterproof leather plus dual shock absorbing spring ball, to replace hard and uncomfortable old-style saddle seats. Suitable for both women and men. The front part is smooth and a half-inch narrower than normal bicycle seat, so it will not rub or bind on your thighs. With the skid-proof streaks on the saddle can keep you from sliding forward. A nice concave shape in the middle, make it breathe freely for your butt. Double anti-vibration rubber ball, good elasticity, flexibility, toughness and larger endurance. Comes with 2 mounting tools plus reflective armband, can adjust its height and angle yourself. Super comfort bicycle accessories for mountain bike, spinning bike, exercise bike, road bike, cruiser bike, electric bike. Number 2 in our top is from the Bikeroo brand. With a more robust memory foam body, this saddle is a thicker version of Bikeroo's most popular bike saddles. It provides a denser, firmer base for your bum while being engineered to relieve pressure.
Remember when you could ride a bike for days without ever feeling any discomfort?
Now, with this bike saddle, you can return to the smooth joy and comfort you felt when you were a kid riding to the ends of the world. This comfortable bike seat for men and women is built with extra padding and in steel spring suspension that spares you from aches and pains, all while distributing the pressure evenly. This is a great bike seat cushion replacement for any outdoor bike including Trek, Giant, Cannondale, Mongoose, Sunlight, and other brands. Fits the standard post on any city, MTB mountain, commuter, electric, or road bike model. The universal mount ensures that this men's and women's bike seat will fit any standard outdoor bike seat post. The steel springs and standard rails mount system make this big padded bike seat stand out against the rest. And finally, the number one product in our top is part of the TONBUX brand. Comfort is a common issue, especially among new cyclists, and one solution is to get a comfort saddle that's better suited to you and your body mechanics.
TONBUX cushioning saddles offer comfort and protect against cycling pain while you're riding, varying positions, riding quickly or slowly, and hitting some bumps. With TONBUX, upgrade comfort to your another bike adventure. TONBUX bicycle seat equipped with double spring rubber balls to efficiently absorb shocks and ensure more comfort even during bumpy rides, good elasticity, toughness, larger endurance, flexibility, and easy to deal with rough terrain. TONBUX bicycle seat has a universal fit system which makes it easy to install on almost any type of bicycle, and it comes with all the install parts you need to start benefiting from the perks of the seat in the shortest time. Exquisite reflective stickers design in the rear of the bike seat, more visible at night with reflective stickers other drivers can see in a far distance, can improve safety riding at night. Which comfortable bike seat would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below.